is so cool! Whee! Hey gamers! Today I am playing Turbo Dismount. Now I'm very, very excited because I love Turbo Dismount. Alright, let's do a map. We also have subscribed levels. What should we do? There's the monorail incident. By the way, it's reset, and I'm using the Xbox 360 controller. Wait, roadblock bridge. Let's give it a shot. What does it look like? Oh! So, oh yes. Oh yes. But we have to get in something, a little bit faster. Wait, let's go. Cinematic. Something a bit faster. Oh, by the way, I've got something to show you guys. Hello! Look at me! I'm just... Yeah! I mean, look at that! Look at my face! I'm like, ah! That face dope. Okay. Characters, let's see. We could be... Mr. Ego looks like me. Dude, that is me! Why is my head like bubbling off to the side? I am using the bubble head, by the way. So, yeah, this is me. I have a license now, guys. Alright, let's go for something just lol. Something lol. Oh, the shuriken. No, but that's really fast, really fast. You can blend in. Oh! Hold it right there. Loco and Jogger. That's a tank and a train. Oh my gosh, we have to go in the tank. Bruh! Look at this pose, guys! There's no other way. 2, 3! Dun, 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 dun. Please don't turn me off. Woo! Oh, you ain't doing anything to this tank, you boy! Oh. Okay, they're doing something to this tank. Oh my god, the tank is still driving! No, no, no! Oh! Ow! No, don't flatten me! No! Oh, new high score. Well, it's the first time I've ever played on that. All right, let's reset it. There we go. Let's try that again. 2, 1, jump! Come on, come on, come on! The face has to do it. Come on, come on! Yeah, it does nothing, and then bloop. Oh, I saw what it was. It was the speed bumps or whatever they were. Please don't run me over. No, 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 no. Ah! No! Well, that didn't do anything. Oh, okay. All right. Let's get the loco. Choo choo. Or we could be in the back, like, get me out of here. On the top or just at the front. Oh, that's not a good position. That would hurt. Oh, we need some obstacles in here. Oh, so. Oh, wait. So. Add A, okay. So let's go for a turbo pad. Then. A turbo pad. Turbo pad. Then a medium ramp. So, or maybe no. A medium. We need a small. Where's the quarter pipe? There we go. Okay, that'll be all right. And then it should fly over there. And then okay, ready. Let's do this, boys. We're on a train. Oh, that is so cool! Whee! 1, 2, 3. Oh! He drove right into the train. The shuriken. 1. Run. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, my head! Ah, my head! James Bond. This is like James Bond right now. Oh, now I see. Wait, can we like... Ooh, and then... Woo! Let's do a subscribe level. Why not? Let's do it. Empire State Fall. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, we are so tall. We are so high in the air right now. Oh, yes. All right. So. Okay, so. Whew. Wait, is it going backwards? Oh, it is going backwards. Okay. So, we need a really, really, really fast one. Shuriken's fast, sure. Or one that really wants to fly. Here we go. I believe I can fly. Oh my gosh. Ah! He's actually flying, guys. Okay, never mind. I believe I can fly. I believe that would be my face if I was flying. Ah! I believe I can touch the ground. Okay, that was really funny. Let's try something fast. We'll just play random Street Slicer. Hey, 1, 2, 3. That is so slow. Woo! Yes! That's what whoa. Oh my gosh! It looked like he was gonna land it then. Up. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Look at him. Look, like he's just like, yes, 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 I'm totally gonna do this. Just slow it down a little bit. Lands right on the bus. Let's replay that. Oh, that's nasty. Let's try another, you know. Let's do it. Leap of faith. Orb? What's orb? Oh. This is orb. Hello. Oh my gosh, we need something. No, what have I done? Oh, that's what I've done. We need something fast. We need something fast. And a Quadfin Fighter. Da 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 da. Wait, first person? Yes. All right, you know what? Oh my gosh. I'm doing it. We're doing it, guys. Uh-oh. No, we're not. No, we're not. I repeat, no, we're not. Wait, my head is just rolling. That only means one thing. Next. Duck face dough. Okay, we need to see what's happened. Okay, so just... Okay. Okay, so we go up it like normal. Yeah. We actually do quite well until this happens. And then, nosedive. Up, and there's my floating head. Da 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 da. There we go. Launch destruction. I was like, destroy the house. Why not? You know what we need? No. Oh, that's. We need the swinger. Oh no! Wait, heavy metal, guys. Are you ready for this? This guy's ready for this. He's ready for this. Dun 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 dun. 2, 1, Full speed! Oh, yeah, we smashed that. Bye-bye, house. Oh, wait. It's going in for more. Guys. He's going in for more. Oh. Wow. In the game, I'm just like, help me. Oh. You know what? Swinger, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ah. For a minute, I was like, is anything going to even happen? Dun, dun, dun. You can see it falling. Ah, da, 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 da. Nope, that's oh, wait, bro. Where's my buddy? No! You're still wait, you're still going? Ooh. Oh, stop flattening me, please. Okay, so wait. So I'll just get high. There we go. So it hits it with the wrecking ball first, and then let's see what happens to me. Oh! I glitch, and that happens. Then I get smacked in the head with a brick. Everything comes tumbling on me. How am I even still, like, on that? Nope, not anymore. Ooh. This is what I'm thinking. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. We're sitting on the boss throne. Yes, we are. Here we go. Camera, quick. Character camera. Da, 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 da. Woo! Can we hit any bombs? We're not hitting any bombs yet. Oh, here we are! Whee! Rolling pins. Uh-oh. Oh! Eesh. Alright, you know what? Let's get something bit speedier, just a little bit. Like the cool streak. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. Whee! I'm not hitting any. Guys, I might live to tell the tale. Nope. Nah. Not anymore. Whee! Come on, come on. Ooh. That is so cool. I love this game. Love it. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video of me playing Turbo Dismount. It was so fun. If you liked it, smash that like button. And also, guys, remember, duck face do 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 duck face do. Bye.